Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 18. Look a little bit scary this morning, like a little bit rough. And like, not that I didn't sleep well last night. I was kind of like having like weird dreams and like waking up in the middle of the night and then like not waking up, like jumping out of my sleep, which wasn't very particularly nice. I am just leaving Paddy's now and I'm actually calling over to Jenna, and I never brought her Christmas present with me. Would you believe? Because why would you be doing that? I'm very annoyed at myself because I was like, oh, I'll bring her a Christmas present and I forgot all about it. So that's pretty annoying. And then I'm going to go back over to Paddy later on tonight when he's home from work, and we are going to watch the new Star Wars, or like the, not the new Star Wars, the Star Wars before the new Star Wars. So what, episode 8? Is it that we're on? Yeah. And then we are going to the cinema on Friday to watch the new one. Oh, mother of God, what's going on here? There's so many people pulled in. It's very random. So I'm just going to spend the afternoon with Jenna, catching up. You know yourself, hanging out with your friends, nothing better. Really, there is actually nothing better. I was going to put some makeup on this morning, and then I, you know, went against it, and now looking at myself in the viewfinder, I'm like, mother of God, why didn't you just put some makeup on? Because your face is not great today, girl. Not at all. Oh wow, I made it just in time for the train crossing to go up. I never make this train crossing. I swear, every single time I'm here, the train crossing bollards are down every time, and I'm just here in time for them to be lifted up. It's like a miracle. It's a Christmas miracle, I tell you. Put up 2 vlogs yesterday, guys. I'm very proud of myself. The vlog that I filmed yesterday I have to put up tomorrow, and then I think we're kind of like catching up, so we're definitely making progress here. Making progress. I don't think that the vlog from yesterday was very long at all. Like, I really feel like it was probably one of the shortest vlogs in the entire history of the planet. I'm also getting my nails done tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. I was going to do like a stick-on nail tutorial, but I didn't actually get time to do that. It's just like life is just busy at the moment, clearly, and I didn't have time to do that tutorial, which I'm kind of raging about because the other one is so super old and it would have been great to like update it, but look, it is what it is. Parching for coffee. Like, I cannot wait to get a cup of coffee. I'm dying for one. Can anybody believe Christmas is actually next week? Like, where has the time gone? It's seriously flown by. Oh God, no. No, I don't know what way to go into the centre. I'm going into Blanche and I really don't know what way to go because the traffic is, oh, we're going this way now. The traffic is ferocious. Ferocious, I tell you. I understand, like, obviously people are Christmas shopping, but this is mental. I love how I thought I was being really clever going through the drive-through, and instead I am stuck behind like 5 cars. I was like, oh yeah, that's grand, I'll go to the drive-through, it'll be really, really quick. Paddy just texted me because I'm staying with him again tonight, and I wasn't supposed to be. I was gonna go home and do my work, and now he's like, yeah, I'm so excited you're staying. Yeah, so I was being real clever and thought I was anyway, but I'm really, really not. I went into Penny's, guys, because I just wanted to get his brothers some socks, just like funny socks for Christmas, and I got myself a phone cover, little Minnie Mouse one. I'm gonna put that on my phone now, actually. I think it's quite cute. It's really hard to get a phone cover for my phone because it's, you have to buy them online, and they just, I always forget about it, basically. Never bother. Finally got through, got my order, literally for 2 coffees. And I'm getting myself a wrap as well because I need one right now so bad. So cute, my new little phone cover, Minnie Mouse. It's so cute, I love it. Very, very happy with that, although I need to put my pop socket on the back as well because I hate not having it. Like, it's, I don't know, I just hate not having a pop socket. I thought this would kind of like work as, you know, one of those hook ones, but it doesn't, so I need to get my pop socket back on that. I'm sorry, this just traffic is really bothering me. I know I'm in a drive-through and it's my own fault, but it's just annoying me. These are the socks that I got for his brothers because they're not going to watch my vlogs. So I got them these ones, which are kind of cool. They've like burgers and stuff on them and chips and things like that. And then I got these ones. So I don't know who I'm giving what to each. These are all the Kellogg's ones and I really like them. They're quite cute. So I don't know who I'm giving what to.
Is the 2 coffees?
Yeah, and the wrap, yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. That's great, thank you so much.
Thanks.
That's brilliant, take care, thank you. And we're sorted. Afraid with the coffee in the car because it's literally like sitting in the thing right beside me. Just got sugars for Jenna because I do not take sugar in my coffee. I prefer syrup. Prefer if I can get them, but it's Christmas, so obviously the toffee nut ones are the ones that I go for. There's Taylor Swift's song, Lover. My mum loves that song. Okay guys, I am at my nail appointment now. I'm just gonna go in and get these nails done. So that's the end of my short nails. I need to go into like Deals or find a Deals and get like a couple of Christmas bags, you know, to throw in like drink into them and to throw presents and stuff in them, just so it's easier to disperse the presents. But I am super happy. I'm finished. I'm actually wiped energy wise from just Christmas. It's very, very like draining. Does anyone find that? Like when you're trying to like think of presents, get presents, like parking, driving into places, getting stopped in traffic, it's just stressful. Finally get my nails done, a little bit of pampering, and I thought I might be able to get my eyebrows done before Christmas, but that's not going to happen, so sadly about that, but who cares, I'll just sort my eyebrows out myself. I didn't get to actually talk to you earlier, but I got my nails done, as you can see, and I'm very, very much in love with them. This camera will not focus. Anyway, I'll get like a proper picture and put it up on Instagram. You can see them. They're just like white tips with like ombre, rose gold glitter. Really love them. So I am actually going in now to get my eyebrows done, which I'm very, very sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ran upstairs because I couldn't find my camera and was downstairs. So I'm going to get my eyebrows done right now. I literally rang like every salon in my area. So I found one, and I'm just hoping that like they will, like, I've never been here before to get my brows done, so I'm just hoping that they'll turn out okay. I'm just really, really excited to have brows for Christmas. I know they won't like last like longer than a week, you know, the way they tint like on your skin and stuff, but I'm just glad that I actually have somewhere to get my brows done. Thursday, by the way, I don't think I actually mentioned that earlier, that I'm vlogging like 2 days in one. Just that yesterday was really, really, really busy and I just didn't get to finish it, the vlog, and today is obviously the next day, so I'm sorry that there's like 2 vlogs in one day, but it's just I'm busy and trying to like finish Christmas shopping, spend time with friends, spend time with my boyfriend. It's kind of getting on top of me today. I felt like a teeny bit emotional because it's just like that time of the year and you just kind of, I don't know, like everything's kind of I don't know, on top of you and just feel a little bit stressed. I'm feeling much better now. I've also just put in my retainer because I haven't been wearing it much and I really need to wear it because I'm getting my Invisalign. Oh, I need to turn off my bedroom light. I need to get my teeth whitened and my fixed retainer. So I have not been wearing my Invisalign retainer. I usually wear it to bed every night and I've forgotten it like the last few days when I was staying in Paddy's, so I'm gonna have to wear it now for the next day. And my teeth feel tight, like they literally move so quickly if you don't wear your retainer every night. So if I have like a lisp for the next day or so, that's why. Hey guys, so I'm back home, got the brows done, feeling great about them. They're really nice and waxed and they're not as extreme as they were earlier, which I'm happy out about because they were just a bit bushy. And the girl said that I did ingrown hair on this eyebrow, and you know what, I felt it for ages because I thought it was like a spot and I was like, why won't that spot just go away? It was really annoying me. Also, I got a new jumper from Boohoo. What are we thinking of it? I also got a package while I was out, so I will show you what I got. I'm really like flushed in the face for some reason, I don't know why. So this is the other t-shirt I got. It says Dramatic. Obviously I had to get it because it says Dramatic on it, and I think it was only like €5 or €6 or something on Boohoo. Absolutely love that. And this is the package that arrived when I was out, so it's from Elamiz. So they sent me out Chia Cam Hydration Juice, which is a super hydrating gel sulfate hydration for sensitive skin. Looks interesting. Obviously it's a skincare product. Then they sent me this superfood Sia Cam, I can't say that word, calming cleansing foaming micellar cleanser, which I'm very excited about. So I like the look of the packaging, like it looks really like interesting products. Then this looks really cool. It's a peptide antioxidant hydra serum, so it's for all skin types, and it has peptide 4, lotus, flower milk, hyaluronic acid. So peptide 4 is actually is an antioxidant, so it balances and replenishes and defines skin, which is very interesting. They also sent me out this overnight radical peel for tired looking dull skin. It's a night scented stock lactic acid, and it refines, brightens and replenishes. So I think I might use that tonight to see what I think of it. And then they also sent me out a lovely candle, which is a soothing glow candle. Fill your home with the luscious notes of lavender, eucalyptus and geranium. So I like this because it's lovely. I'm not a big lavender fan, but this isn't like overpowering and it smells so nice. I really like it, so super happy with that. So thank you so much to the guys at Elamiz. Oh god, I can't say that. The eucalyptus is quite strong on that actually. Oh, you can see my nails a bit better now actually. There you go. Really like them, quite nice. So yeah, that's everything that I wanted to show you and talk to you about. T-shirt, jumper and these little goodies, and also this oversized jumper, which I am super obsessed with. Like I just think it's so nice. It'd be really nice with shorts as well if you're boiling alive like I am. Very sleepy puppy sleeping in with me tonight. Oh yes, you, I'm talking to you. Oh, you are so tired. Look at that little sleepy face. So I'm currently lying down in bed, ready for sleep. I just put lip gloss on and I need to put my Invisalign back in. My eyes look really red from where I got waxed. And I told you that I had like an ingrown hair here, and she like plucked it out. It was like right up there. I'm really loving my brows. She gave them like a really nice shape and they're kind of like fluffy and full. I know I'm talking about my brows again, but they're quite red. Like my eye there is very red. And here. I hope you guys had a lovely 2 days. I am actually glad that the last 2 days are over because I just haven't really felt good at all. It's really strange. Like it's not like there's anything wrong. Does that make sense? Like, you know when everything's like really good in your life, like everything's really happy and you feel really good and there's good things happening to you and like, you know, your life feels pretty complete, like there's nothing bothering you, but yet you still feel like a little bit down. That's kind of like how I felt like the last few days. Like there's absolutely nothing wrong, but like just feeling a bit miserable. Tomorrow I'll probably wake up feeling amazing. Paddy's coming to my house for the weekend. So we're going to watch movies. We're going to play Trivial Pursuit with the fam. And just have like a really nice kind of like family weekend, I guess. Get planning for 2019 hits and misses. Exciting stuff. So yeah, I think that's basically all I need to catch us up on, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's vlog and yesterday's vlog, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Mwah. Night night.